Splish, splash, bubbles in the air. Let's take a bath and wash our hair. Splish, it's splash, it's bath time today. The bubbles are waiting, let's go play. Teddy is hiding, he's feeling a bit shy. But bubbles are fun, let's give it a try. Get the ducky, it floats up so high. Squeak, 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 reaching for the sky. 1, 2, 3, hop right on in. Look at the bubbles tickle your chin. Splish, splash, splish. Scrub-a-dub-dub, rub your hands and your hair. Wash away the dirt, bubbles everywhere. Now we are clean, so fluffy and bright. Tap that subscribe button for more fun tonight.
Did you love splashing with Teddy? Tap subscribe to join the Pranika Rhymes family for more weekly fun.